Morning here does not begin with the sun. It begins with thousands of new lives. The moment an egg leaves the barn, it enters a massive automated system. Every movement is precise. Every surface is controlled for absolute cleanliness. Before incubation, the life inside must remain perfectly stable. This is the hatchery, where technology begins replacing nature. Temperature, humidity, oxygen. Everything is calculated by the second. Inside these steel chambers, life is growing in silence. And then, day 18 arrives. At first, just a tiny crack. Then thousands of tiny lives begin appearing all at once. Only hours after hatching, the industrial journey begins. Everything moves incredibly fast, but behind that speed is absolute precision. As the sun rises, the first trucks leave the hatchery. From the outside, it looks like a giant factory in the middle of nowhere. But inside, everything is engineered for life. Light, temperature, water, feed. Everything runs 24 hours a day. The air here is controlled like a data center. The tiny chicks from before are now growing at an incredible speed. This entire system exists to sustain non-stop growth. But growth never comes from nothing. Every kilogram of weight begins at the feed mill. As biological density increases, so does risk. In modern poultry farming, biosecurity is not optional. After weeks of growth, the flock is ready to leave the farm. Everything happens at night to keep the flock as calm as possible. This is where the entire system converges. Robots, conveyors, quality inspection, all operating together at massive scale. From fresh meat to fully processed frozen food. Millions of products leave this facility every week. And eventually, the journey ends somewhere familiar, the family dinner table.